Good afternoon. We're back at Gidra Press. And today's task is one of special responsibility, as the safety of train traffic depends on this unit. Let's see how a wheel set is created using the Muscle press, a permanent connection of railway wheels and axles.
The wheel set is the foundation. The connection here isn't bolted or welded. These connections are unsuitable as the numerous cycles can cause metal fatigue failure. A durable press fit is needed with a guaranteed interference of 0.5 millimeter. Insufficient joint strength can lead to a relative displacement of the elements and cause catastrophic consequences. Our task is to join them into a monolith with surgical precision and immense effort.
A 0.5 millimeter interference fit sounds like a challenge. Daria, what if we just force it on, like a weight plate on a barbell?
You can try, but a disc weighs 20 kilograms, while the wheel is over 400. And here it's not just about strength, but control of every kilonewton and every millimeter. The slightest mistake and the wheel set connection will not withstand the loads while the train car is in motion.
And still, I'll try to make a deal with Ilya after all.
Now that's concentration. Hello, Ilya.
Oh, hi, Andre. I'm working on the precision of the movement.
Excellent. Will you help me solve a problem? Just with heavier plates and a more serious bar.
Let's give it a try. But remember, strength isn't the most important thing. Technique and control are what matter.
Strength isn't everything.
Let's get started on that starred problem. There! The first millimeters are the most important. Feel how the metal catches?
Next, only with the press. By hand, you won't have the strength, or more importantly, the uniformity.
That's right, Ilya. You've set the right direction. Next, it's up to the hydraulic press.
For locomotives and wagons, as well as special self-propelled rolling stock, operating in trains at speeds over 120 kilometers per hour up to 140 kilometers per hour, deviations are permitted toward an increase of no more than 3 millimeters and toward a decrease of no more than 1 millimeter.
The Muscle press is not just a press, it's a true dynamometric complex. Its main task is to create a perfect linear force of up to 150 tons without the slightest misalignment.
To prevent pressure surges, the force margin is more than fourfold. The press can exert 630 tons of force. Frame rigidity is crucial, but the main feature is the hydraulics. By regulation, the pressing speed cannot exceed 3 millimeters per second. Most often, 2 is used. In the press, we use 3 independent pump groups for fast approach, for the pressing itself, and for dismounting. This ensures a smooth, perfect diagram.
All the magic is in the control system. The hydraulic system has a pressure sensor with only 0.5% margin of error.
A high-precision linear encoder tracks movement with an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. From the obtained values, the Omron controller builds a force path press fitting diagram.
So what's this diagram here? Just for show?
It's the main document, like a person's passport.
It is generated in a digital format and printed out as a paper report with a lot of important data. The wheel set number, force and travel, all of this is signed by the foreman. The report is kept for 20 years. In case of any emergency, it is retrieved for investigation. This is a personal responsibility and a safety guarantee provided by the railway.
Excellent, the wheel is mounted, the force is within the norm. Now we're mounting the second wheel. The distance between them is also strictly regulated. The track gauge in our countries is 1,520 millimeters. The distance between the inner wheel flanges of an unloaded wheel set must be 1,440 millimeters.
So, the task is complete. Muscle presses are at work from Nakodka to Kaliningrad. They are highly regarded in Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Africa, and Europe. And one is even in service on the German railway, having passed rigorous European certification.
This is a high level. Here, strength is not the goal, but a means.
Today we saw how a wheel set is assembled ready to carry tons of cargo on railway tracks for thousands of kilometers, and that was impressive.
Gidra Press is a force that you can trust.